Good morning, America. B. B. Morning. Morning. Uy. B. Morning. 6 a.m. Sige na, para mapang breakfast na. Ha? Morning. Bago na nga, please.
Good morning.
Oh,
It's
Duha mo, ikaduha mo lang gidaan ng dinner siguro.
6:12 a.m.
Ang sa ito, dalawang sa daan sila dali og minero sa tiya.
It's already Sunday morning. And we barely had enough sleep because we had fun last night. And so, we're going to wake up and enjoy the day swimming. It's very beautiful. Good morning, everyone. It is very beautiful to wake up on such a very beautiful sunrise. Sunrise is behind me. It's Sunday morning and the checkout time for the whole family is still mamayang 12 noon. So we still have few hours for breakfast and swimming time and of course lunch. And I haven't tried yet again. Gusto ko mag-try pa kasi doon sa pool because nasiraduhan kami kagabi. So we will be doing another round of swimming time later. And all the people are still inside the rooms. And I don't really think na they still want to get out yet, but I went out here because I wanted to capture the sunrise, of course, because it's a very moment to behold. I haven't had enough sleep because parang 2 a.m. na ako nakatulog and then I woke up at around 5 kasi may kumatok sa door and I had it locked kasi. So I had to get up and open the door for Phoebe. And ayan. So now we're trying to manage and how to have breakfast even if we don't have foods available here. So let's see what we can squeeze in for the day, for the morning. Let's just check what's happening on the other room. Hi, good morning. Hi. Morning, Kai. Asa mo mag-breakfast, Kai?
Sa... Mag-order.
Nag-order na mo?
Wala.
Good morning pa. Sakit pa yung muhang dire? Sakit pa? Shalene. Good morning.
Good morning. Westown Lagoon.
Aibo. Morning. Good morning.
Margaret.
Margaret. Ay! I-zoom na ko dahil. Mami, good morning.
Ano mo na yan po? Ano? Ano lang yan? Ha?
Swim ta, day?
Ano ko nang mutabuyagan mo na allergy sa
Naka-swimwear na imong mama, day. Di pa ka ma-swim?
dili sakit.
Hi, Phoebe! Tago si Phoebe sa vlog. Good morning. Naka-good morning na ko sa tanan. Oh, yes, Calyx. Tulog-tulog lang. Good morning. Oh my God. Sarap ng tulog. Here.
Nagulog talaga, baby.
gi-trigger niya. Sigarilyo. O unsa ba gani?
Kape.
Kape no.
Pwede ra. Naapiya sila ikuan. Kanang katong murag promo nila nga I think 6 plus 2. Pila ta pa niya.
Wow! Ako na lang nag-sound effects sa akong kagalingon.
Ligo na today ha. Ha? Ay na maligo naman today.
Yes, Lex.
Hungry Lex.
Para sa Instagram.
Buta na dis. Ay pa. Iyak na.
Be. Eh, 6-band dancer. Oo.
I-footage.
Pak, 6-band dancer. Oh. Pak. Oh.
So, we'll be swimming na. So, this is our second time to swim. I am like so excited because excited ba umitim. Tapos, thank you Chin for the swimwear. Sa kanya to sponsor. Hindi ko na kinaya yung iba mong pinahiram because they're like so very revealing and tara!
Swimming na. Yo. Hi.
Let's come in. Ito yung room ng Westown, Cebu Westown Lagoon. So, from here, you may see mayroong mini space for like dining area. And dito is the view towards the swimming pool. Kasi ito yung mga ano nila, magandang
Interior
curtains.
design.
And then, painting. And then, 2 beds. Yung kinuha nila is 2 beds. Si Mami yan, nakatulong na. And this is where they have set up Calyx's birthday present. And then, may parang ano sila dito sa bed na TV. And then, ang ganda ng cabinet nila because it's Nara, I think. Yeah. Ganda. And then, from here, cabinet for our belongings and phone and controls and bedside lamp. And of course, they have a refrigerator where you can place your stuff. And I have like heard na parang 3,000 plus yung night dito. This is these are all the amenities. And of course, cabinet 1, 2, and 3 for your wet clothes and dry clothes. And what do you call this?
Safety bolt.
Safety vault for your cell phone and your pera. Diba? Ang ganda. And then, of course, the
Mirror.
vanity mirror and vanity table para makapag-ayos and all. And, of course, come here. This is our kitchen. This is where we can wash our
Plates.
plates, our utensils, and everything. So, parang condo style talaga siya. And let's come here. Sobrang dami lang excuse that. But this is the bathroom. So, meron siyang sink na sobrang laki.
Blower.
And of course, may bidet. Approve yan kasi may bidet. Ding, 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 ding. And shower. Na you can adjust for hot and cold. Oops, may lamok. And, of course, my hair blower. So, you guys, if you wanted to come here to Cebu and would like to enjoy your outing na may pool and may hotel na, you can come here to Cebu Westown Lagoon for complete amenities na. And, I'll show you later sa labas kung ano yung tsura ng labas. And this is your place where you can drink and hang out. So, dito kami nag-hang out kanina. Daming drinks na natira. Parang mini veranda, mini balcony, and like just like an open space. Or this is the building where there are a lot of rooms for everyone to occupy on a per night basis. Weekend basis. I'm not really sure if they're of course they're available on weekdays. But on weekends, maganda talaga sila dito. So, ayan. Let's go to the other room. So, this is the other room that we occupy. Hi!
Hi! Hey! Hey!
Hi, guys.
So, ayan. So, may pizza night kami. And,
Yun! Shout out!
it is big vlog.
Shout out sa sponsor.
Huwag ano din siyo.
Kaya na.
So, this is from Alberto's. Yung favorite ng mga Cebuanos. So, ayan. So, that's Kevin there.
That's it.
Let's eat! Let's eat! Kasi yung tao na nga itong pabang sa pulbo.
Hi, guys.
Kanilas!
Nasa kao, hi, guys.
Ba't na magti? Nawa na siya no?
Pizza.
Patugtog na
proclivities and all, but ready to go. Secret moves, they're secret and dangerous. Some people might use them for
lang.
not us. Good, very good.
This is Lake Margaret. What is your name? What is your name? Lay?
You must teach us. Only Master Shifu decides
Oh,
who
how
wins
old are you?
Sorry, guys, can't help you.
Huh? 4?
Sure you don't want to be mine?
Hi!
Ay, dyan pala yan.
We are having really some fun here.
Yeah.
And
Sulit yung stay namin dito for
2 days and 1 night.
yeah.
And we almost forgot about the vlog kasi langoy lang kami ng langoy and slide lang kami ng slide.
Ako na kasi ang enjoy kasi
Yep.
di namin maano yung vlog, so we're just shooting this to say goodbye.
That sums up our family getaway and of course Calyx's birthday for November 13. So it is a celebration as well as our first time to be back here at Westown, Cebu Westown Lagoon.
Yeah.
First time namin mag-swimming pool ulit dito sa Cebu City.
And salamat kay Mama Juby, without your
Yes, thanks, Ma'am.
without your sponsor, hindi kami makapag-stay ng
Overnight.
2 room
Yeah.
for overnight.
And thank you for Karen for the foods and the invite.
Tsaka sa mga dumalo na rin sa birthday ni Calyx, salamat guys. Sa mga nauna umuwi, salamat. And we understand na hindi kayo... Oh, tingnan guys. Sa mga di nakapag-stay kagabi, alam namin na mahirap mag-stay kasi nga may limit yung room. So we understand guys.
We will be saying goodbye for now. If you like this video, hit like. Comment down below what you wanted to see more on our YouTube channel. And please make sure to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Che
And Kevin's Adventures.
Adventures. And please make sure to subscribe because that fuels up our energy to really, you know, the effort to really make content and bring our cameras when we're having fun.
So, sige na, masyado mahaba yung outro natin.
Yeah, so
Bye-bye.
that's just about it. And thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos. Bye!